Okay, well, I've made it to part 3, so I'm round towards the rear again, and I was just looking up. That must be in the old area warning klaxon, I would guess. There's a lot of rusty stuff up there, obviously original from the war. So there's the old World War II klaxons, I expect. Now there is a door over here that I'm going to try and get into. It's obviously been used inside. Forgot to say where I was again because I'm so excited. I'm at the Rochelle U-Boat Pens. Now, definitely it's being used by the port authorities in some way, so I'm assuming it couldn't be too derelict inside. But like I say, I'm going to do what I did the last time, which is walk in with yous, because I haven't done this, just to get the impression of the thing. Don't know if it's going to be dark or not. There's a sign on the door, I think that says access for the public. So that's very good. Oh, it's dark inside. Yeah, it must be used as a store. Oh wow. Look at the length of it. Can you see the outside? Okay. So, just walking inside. Pigeons and stuff. Corrugated iron top. I think it's worth a wee walk. Now, obviously this isn't the pen itself, must be the thing that runs alongside the pen, so I wonder is there a wee side door there that takes us out to the water? Could very well be. Amazing. Actually, I have found the French very friendly, so I'm really not too worried, because I think if you're polite to the French, they do react to you the same way. So that's the way I've been treating things so far. This is very good. I don't know if these open up into the water or not, or if they've been closed off. It looks like they've been closed off. But I think if I go out the front, I might get a look back in. Amazing. Just shows you the length of this. I know it's a little bit boring walking along a corridor, but you have to think of the history of it. Right, well, I would have assumed between each of these pillars, you must have been able to access the water. Oh, the lights come on there. And there's that just, oh, I think I'm just coming out this front bit. I don't think we're going to come out to the pens at all. This is just out to the front, to where I was before, I think. It is, this is just access to the front. So I'm going to have to do another loop. That looks like part 4 of this is in the offing. Because I'm not going to walk back there, because that would just be rude. So we'll walk back the other way and see if I can't. Oh no, well, we're going to get a wee bit closer. Looks like I'm going to be midway between two actually. Coming out onto a little pier. Wow, look at the doors. Those must have been blast doors, I would assume. Yeah. Brilliant. So what I've done actually is I've appeared in between the middle of them actually. So what I'm going to do is take a wee sweep around and not push my luck too far. Oh, look at that! Amazing! Into the pens. Oh my god. Look. There's no old ship. God, I can't see what it is. There's the Must have been cranes for lifting stuff off and on to do the maintenance. Wow, unbelievable. Brilliant. There's a wee boat ladder. I'll have a look around the other side of these ones. Obviously, there are French customs. Would be sort of getting bored here, but I can't stop filming because I want to keep this for my own stuff. Oh wow, look at that. Unbelievable. Thickness of that roof. It nearly looks like none's been touched. And it would just be great to go inside that. Brilliant. I'm going to have another look out here and see what this boat is, because that looks like it's been sitting there for years, that boat, whatever it is. I don't know what it is. I wonder, is it a dredger? Certainly old anyway. I wonder, would that be a dredger to keep the silt? Because I think apparently Rochelle, their harbour had to be dredged all the time because of silt build-up. So I imagine it must be the same here. Right, well I'll switch off now. Make my way back. See if I can't make my way into one of these water tunnels. That would be absolutely brilliant. So that's part 3 over.